William RUTO na atongerete MAMBURA ja 18 ja gwikirwa THUMBI kwa RUTO University ya MASINDE MULIRO irere county ya Kakamega kiaria kiri MAMBURA ja RUTO noretie ATHOMI baskuru eu gutwa NTAIRA chege science chia kuthiria mathina jaraja romerete nthiguru yetu RUTO rori NTAIRA eu cha Western tukwijire na arua ariuga ATHOMI bagi science ni baba batere gutwa NTAIRA cha kuthiria MPARA na kuthukanga kwa riera.
Through such partnerships that the university can begin to serve. And Mr. Vice Chancellor, you and your team, the community here, the government of Kenya expects that this university will contribute meaningfully to the social economic development of this region by giving us the intellectual capacity to be able to unravel some of the challenges of our time. We are looking forward to the universities and other institutions of higher learning being the hub of the development of our human capital, the most precious asset that we have as a nation. And it is my vision that Kenya shall be the country that will provide the most modern, sharpened, and intellectual human capital to serve humanity, starting with our continent.
And in recognition of these immense accomplishments in peace and sustainable development, his tangible achievement as a person and as a public officer, exemplary service to humanity, extensive benevolence, and charitable work, the university is greatly honored and privileged to confer His Excellency Musalia Mudavadi, EGH, the honorary degree of Doctor Humane Letters Honoris Causa in peace and sustainable development.